Most people think fruit trees take 10 years before you harvest anything, but these trees, some can produce fruit in just 1 to 2 years. The difference is not luck, it's choosing the right fast-growing varieties most gardeners completely ignore in this video. I'll show you 12 fast-growing fruit trees that can turn small backyards, patios, and urban gardens into productive food systems faster than most growers expect. You'll learn which trees fruit the quickest, why some varieties outperform others, and the smart planting strategies that dramatically speed up harvest production, whether you're a home gardener, urban farmer, or commercial grower testing high-efficiency crops. These trees can save you years of waiting. Here's the mistake most gardeners make. They grow fruit trees from seed. Seed-grown trees spend years building unstable genetics before they focus on fruit production. That's why many backyard growers wait nearly a decade for harvests that never come. The smart farming shortcut is grafted trees. Grafting combines a mature fruiting variety with a strong root system. Biologically, the tree already thinks it is mature. That means faster flowering, faster fruiting, and more predictable harvests if you want non-stop fruit production. Calamansi is one of the best choices for warm climates. These compact citrus trees can fruit year-round because they continuously cycle energy into flowering under stable temperatures. The best part? They thrive in containers, making them ideal for patios and urban spaces. This is one of the highest performing fruit trees for beginners. Dwarf Meyer lemons stay compact, but their productivity is surprisingly aggressive, unlike standard lemons. Meyer lemons are hybrids with improved sweetness and faster maturity rates. Grafted trees can produce fruit within a single year. Figs may be one of the most underrated survival crops for modern gardeners. Why? Because figs tolerate drought, poor soil, and container growing while still producing heavy harvests. The biology is fascinating. Fig trees store massive energy reserves inside their wood structure, allowing rapid fruit formation once the plant becomes established. Peach trees are surprisingly fast producers when grown from grafted stock. But here's the key most growers miss. Peaches need aggressive pruning without pruning. The tree wastes energy growing excess branches instead of directing carbohydrates into fruit development. Apricots reward growers who understand chill hours. Many fruit trees require exposure to cold temperatures before they can flower properly. This biological reset process is called dormancy. That's why choosing low-chill varieties is critical for warmer climates. Loquats are one of the easiest fruit trees for beginners because they combine fast growth with natural pest resistance. Their thick leaves reduce moisture loss, helping the tree stay productive even during dry periods. Standard apple trees can take nearly a decade to produce heavily. Dwarf systems completely change that timeline. Dwarf rootstocks redirect the trees' energy into fruit production instead of vertical growth. This is why modern commercial orchards increasingly rely on compact, high-density planting systems. Pear trees require patience, but they reward growers with decades of production once established. Pear trees become highly resilient and often outlive other fruit species. These are specialty fruit trees most gardeners overlook. Persimmons are extremely productive in warm climates, while quince produces fragrant fruits perfect for preserves and desserts. Adding rare fruit trees also increases biodiversity, improving pollinator activity across your garden ecosystem. Pawpaw may be America's most forgotten fruit tree. The fruit tastes like a mix of banana, mango, and custard, yet the tree thrives in temperate climates. But there's one important biological detail. Pawpaws are not self-fertile. You need at least two genetically Different trees for successful pollination. The biggest mistake gardeners make is waiting too long to plant fruit trees. A single productive backyard tree can provide years of harvests, reduce grocery costs, improve food security, and transform even small urban spaces into productive ecosystems. And the fastest growers on this list can start rewarding you almost immediately. Now that you know which fruit trees grow the fastest, your next challenge is keeping them productive year after year, because here's what most gardeners don't realize: fruit trees don't fail because of watering, they fail because of incorrect pruning and nutrient timing. Watch our next masterclass on the exact pruning system commercial growers use to triple fruit production without damaging the tree.